In the world of blogging and content creation, having a smooth and steady footage is crucial. The Hohem iSteady M6 has revolutionized AI tracking for smartphone gimbals. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Here, we have the box of Hohem iSteady M6 kit. Inside the box, we get this storage bag, which itself feels way too good and makes it easy to carry around with ease and safety. And as soon as we unzip this storage case, we get to see our iSteady M6, fill light with AI vision sensor, a tripod, a Type-C cable for charging, and one more Type-C to C cable, and this user manual. Now, let's have a look on a gimbal. The design is very premium and sturdy, and the material used are very dense and high quality. The handlebar is very grippy to hold, and not to mention, this gimbal can handle a payload of 400 G, up to 18 hours of battery life with 2600 mAh of battery. With a simple hand gesture, you can now stay in frame during your Instagram Live, TikTok Live, or YouTube live streams. One of the standout features of the iSteady M6 kit is its iSteady 7.0 stabilization algorithms. These cutting-edge algorithms ensure that your footage remains smooth and shake-free, even when you're on the move. Even if your phone screen is facing the roll motor, you can still capture unobstructed views effortlessly. Just press the multifunction trigger 4 times. This will switch to wide-angle mode. This means that if you want to attach clip-on ND filters to your phone, the iSteady M6 has a built-in adjustment that allows you to balance the weight of the filters. The iSteady M6 is not just a stabilization gimbal. It is a creative tool that allows you to capture stunning videos with ease. The magnetic fill light with AI vision sensor is a unique feature that sets it apart from other gimbals, enabling flexible follow-you tracking. As you move, the gimbal automatically adjusts to keep you in the frame. This display provides a visual representation of various gimbal parameters, such as Bluetooth status, battery level, and gimbal mode. In the past, users would have to fumble through menus to find this information, but the OLED display makes it all instantly accessible. With all the essential information at your fingertips, you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without any distractions. The wheel on the iSteady M6 kit is more than just a simple control. It's a portal to a world of creative possibilities. With a double tap, you can control the focus or depth of field, opening up new ways to capture stunning footage. Long press the wheel to adjust the color temperature and intensity of the top light, perfect for low light situations or adding a touch of creativity to your vlogs. The iSteady M6 kit is more than just a gimbal. It's a tool for filmmakers, vloggers, and anyone who wants to capture the world in a more creative way. In addition to the OLED display and control wheel, the iSteady M6 kit also features a number of other convenient features. For example, it has a built-in tripod mount, so users can easily set it up on a surface for hands-free shooting. It also has a reverse charging function, so users can charge their phones directly from the gimbal. No longer will you have to worry about shaky footage. The iSteady M6 kit's advanced stabilization algorithms will keep your video smooth and steady, even when you're moving around. And with its flexible tracking capabilities, you can easily keep yourself or your subject in the frame, no matter where they go. The iSteady M6 kit's user-friendly interface makes it easy to use, even for beginners. And with its versatile control wheel, you have complete control over your shots. So, whether you're a vlogger looking to capture stunning travel videos, or a content creator looking to create professional-looking videos, the iSteady M6 kit is the perfect tool for you. So, what are you waiting for? Like this video? Do hit the subscribe button and unlock your creative potential today with this ultimate gimbal. This is Enoylity technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.